post it right now, but you go home, okay?
Okay. Mozzarella stick.
20 subscribers. You reached 20 subscribers, right?
I like Popeye's kind of something better.
I like that Pokemon better than Popeyes. You like who? Yeah, better than Popeyes. But Popeyes make it very saucy.
I mean, this like the real Parmesan, but Popeye's more creamy. I like it.
You're welcome, no problem.
What your mouth make?
They make nothing.
I don't know how to, one thing you gotta be ready for, some of them teachers, they're not gonna hold their hand. They're gonna treat you like you grown.
Okay.
You gotta be ready for it, you know what I'm saying?
They said they're gonna put me up in math to test my math out.
How would you do it? What you do it, Mama?
Because they know I have this method, like I do, like, you know how like it's like 4 numbers? I put two of the numbers. I do like time. Like it's just like 4, 3, 8, and 7. I do 8 and 7 and 3 and 2. And then I calculate them together. And whatever two numbers are, I'll put them together.
You got your food coming out, but this is an appetite. But he said we left some of the other people.
Okay.
Trying to help my stomach. Ooh, is that the trick?
You just cursed in my video.
Yes, you
No.
you don't know how to go back on the video and cut it?
I edit it for them.